Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make French onion soup without alcohol. Start by slicing onions thinly and heating a wide pan over medium-low heat. Melt butter and a splash of oil, then add onions with a pinch of salt. Stir often to prevent burning and cook slowly until deeply caramelized and richly brown before adding broth and herbs for simmering. Follow these steps for reliable results while keeping things relaxed and friendly. After caramelizing, deglaze the pan with a little broth or sherry vinegar to capture all the fond. Add your low-sodium broth, a couple of thyme sprigs, and a bay leaf, then simmer slowly to concentrate the flavors. Taste and adjust seasoning before assembling bowls with toasted bread and melting cheese on top. When ready to serve, ladle the soup into oven-safe bowls and top with toasted bread and a generous layer of grated Gruyere. Broil briefly until the cheese bubbles and turns golden brown. For a vegetarian version, choose rich vegetable broth and miso for depth. Leftovers keep well for several days and actually taste better the next day as flavors continue to meld.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.